checked into this heritage hotel. Look at this view, guys. This is just fabulous. Cost of this hotel is about $120 a night. Guys, checked into this fantastic heritage hotel in Lucknow. It's called the Lebua Hotel, and I'm just absolutely impressed with the reception, with the service, everything. And it's so understated, absolutely understated. And it's on in the older part of Lucknow. So this is where Lucknow has a newer part, and there's a lot of new hotels as well, but I chose to stay over here because of its character. And of course, Lucknow being the city of Nawabs, you have to stay at the older part, guys. That's where the fun is, and that's where you will feel the real city. Anyways, so let me show you the hotel room. So this is the heritage suite or heritage room. Beautiful bed, as you can see, and there's a balcony over here, and let's look how the outside is. So this is the balcony, and that's an Italian restaurant over there. Wow, I think they have the buffet over there too. That's the Italian restaurant, and you can see everything from here. Look at this view, guys. This is just fabulous. And let's go and check inside the room now, how it is. Nice couch. They have a TV right over here and kind of a working area. We can just sit over here and do my uploads, everything. And they have nice tea. They have complimentary water, all of that stuff. This is so gorgeous. Look at this pottery. This is beautiful. Now let's check the bathroom. But before that, here you can keep your luggage. And let's see what's in here. It's a kind of a closet. Wow, nice closet. It has a bathrobe, ironing board, lockers, slippers, everything, guys, everything. And now is the bathroom tour. Wow, it's so modern, guys. So modern. It's got that. Whoa. I thought it's just open. I would have almost hit over here, but no. So here you go. This is the thing. This is the door. It's a beautiful shower head. So wow, look at this. This is fancy. And this is, of course, the bathroom. Looks good. And you have the bum gun is over there. This is Asia. Awesome. Now for the bed test, guys. Bed test. Let's see. Oh, nice and firm. I'll sleep well tonight. Absolutely. This is a beautiful hotel. Absolutely. I love it. Wow. This is nice. So the cost of this hotel is about $120 a night, which is maybe on the high side in Lucknow, but I have seen some of the modern hotels are even more expensive. But this is just absolutely steal, if you ask me. So I would definitely recommend this hotel, and I'm going to put a link below in the description and tell you how to book this hotel. I think I booked through Expedia. So guys, this is the Mango Courtyard. How beautiful this place is. Look at it. The Lebua Hotel's rooftop lounge. It's just beautiful over here. I'm just loving this hotel. It has got that kind of that heritage style, that kind of a villa style. It's just awesome. And the service is awesome. So I ordered a Corona, although my beer of choice has been always Kingfisher, but it's not available over here. So just ordered a Corona and just admiring this beautiful weather and just chilling out. It's a little bit chilly, so wearing this this jacket. But here's my Corona.
Sure, this is for you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Sure, check it. You have good temperature?
Yeah, that's good. Yes, yeah. So I ordered a Corona, and as I told you guys, I'm just sitting over here. It's just so beautiful. Just loving it. So cheers, guys. It's a beautiful glass of Corona, I guess. Look at this. The whole decoration, the way it's been put is just really nice. Unfortunately, you cannot film in the bar, so I cannot go inside and film, but this is a nice place. Let me show you around a little bit. Look at the terrace. The terrace is just fabulous. This hotel is probably one of the best hotels I've seen. It's such a heritage property. And it has got that kind of a cabana looking places too. If you're in Lucknow, definitely come to the Lebua and enjoy this beautiful bar, and they have got other restaurants as well. Amazing. Good morning, guys. What a beautiful morning at the Hotel Lebua. I'm just loving this hotel. Look at the view from here. This is like the old Lucknow. This is how it used to be. What a beautiful view. Every time this is how I want to just get up every morning. It's nice weather. You need a little bit of a jacket, but it's like a June weather in New York City. So crisp kind of early morning weather. Just loving it. Today's a long day, so we're going to go around and do a lot of stuff. But just wanted to show you guys how beautiful this hotel is. Look at this fantastic breakfast buffet over here. Wow, look at this view, guys. Look at this dining area. It's so beautiful. Just so palatial. Look at this beautiful dining area. Absolutely palatial. This is the place to stay in Lucknow. Look at the assortment over here of the buffet. They have idlis, they have aloo bhaji, they have puri, they have jalebis. This looks awesome. Wow. This is just fabulous, guys.